Just back from a panel that I was able and fortunate enough to sit on at Empire State of Law in New York with some really amazing panelists, other NFT and blockchain attorneys. And on the way back, on the flight back, I got to thinking, we are in this crypto winter. What that really means is we have a chance to breathe, a chance to take a step back and think about what we're doing in the non-fungible space. Will blockchain change the world, or is blockchain just a change? Is it block change, or are we really going to change as a result of the block? And how big of a difference blockchain will make in the next 5 to 10 years is open to debate. Certainly those of us in the space, we believe, we're evangelists. We think that blockchain is going to have very dramatic impacts on the way we work, the way we live, and the way we relate. I happen to believe that as well. So for those of us who believe, let's take a step back and let's think about in what big ways, in what foundational ways is blockchain going to change the world? And I think the best way for me to think about this is to think about it in terms of the 3 different ways in which we live. We live at work, we live within ourselves as an individual, and we live socially in relationship to each other. One of the ways that blockchain is going to change the world is in terms of our relationships with each other, the sense of community that blockchain provides us. And we see it in these early NFT projects. Yes, generative art. We see it in these early projects the way owning an NFT, a rarity-based project where we're one of 1,000 or one of 10,000 or one of 100, and then we get access to each other within Discord or Twitter. The sense of community of projects like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, and so many others is incredible, and we can see it, we understand that it's happening. Let's take a step back and think about the impacts that that can have on our personal lives, our social lives, our business lives. So in the coming months, we're going to be talking a lot about the philosophical underpinnings of blockchain, the impact that blockchain will have on our daily lives rather than just simply flipping apes. And for me, the starting point is community. I think it's the biggest thing that will bring change. And I think it's the foundational element for brands who are looking to engage with their communities, right? And it used to be what? Email marketing. It used to be, still is, social media accounts in which we interact, right? It's the store, the in-store experience. It's the feeling we have when we pick up that brand and we put it on. Blockchain has the ability to be more than that, to add to each element of that and to be more than that. And we're going to explore why that is from a psychological standpoint, from a technology standpoint. So follow along, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to be talking about a lot of things. We're going to be interviewing some people along the way, and let's enjoy the journey. My name is Enrico. We'll see you next time.